Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Welcome. Come on in.
All right.
We are at Disney's Boulder Ridge at Wilderness Lodge. So this is the DVC side, one of the DVC sides at Wilderness Lodge. There's Copper Creek, and then we are at Boulder Ridge.
Yeah.
So Deluxe Studio.
Yep. Standard view is what we got.
View.
Yep.
Okay, so right when you walk in, we have a kitchenette. Oh, time out. I want to say something.
What do you want to say?
We have stayed here for 3 nights.
Yep.
So this is not a fresh room. We've been staying here. We just haven't had time to do a room tour yet. So we're checking out right now. It was just like a little 3-night staycation. So we kind of cleaned up a little bit to present in the room tour, but we have stayed here for 3 nights. So we still got some coffee in the coffee pot for Corey this morning.
Well, this coffee pot is cool. It has the coffee side, the drip coffee on the left, and then the Keurig pods on the right. And they give you both, so we've kind of cleared it out, but it'll be right there.
Microwave, mini fridge.
Yep.
Got a couple things in there, forgot about. Toaster, sink, and then you do get the dish soap.
Yep. And up there, I don't know so up here was where they kept like the plates and bowls, plastic and paper for right now.
And then here is utensils.
Silverware. Yep.
So it's really nice, like
it's nice.
Big. I love that new coffee pot. We'll go see the room and then we'll come back to the bathroom.
Okay.
So these are recently renovated, and we have loved it. We actually recently stayed at the Wilderness Lodge side, and we loved our stay there. We've seen the Copper Creek rooms, which are great, and we love the Boulder Ridge side.
Yeah, it's nice.
So 1 queen bed.
Yep.
And just love like the decor and theming. Got a little reading light here. And then behind you, you have some fun little posters. Geyser Point, and then Mickey and Pluto there. Is it hard to see with the lighting?
Maybe a little bit.
A nightstand on both sides.
Yeah, that's nice. And they have plugs too on them, which is pretty cool.
And then under the bed storage.
Yep.
And then this is nice. This is
it's big.
Like the twin bed and the dresser in one. So a lot of counter space. We have our little stockings.
Yeah.
We've done that for, gosh,
the last
several years.
Yeah. Christmas trips that we do.
These little stockings for our Christmas trip. But we've got some drawers. And then the stools.
Yep.
And then this is the twin bed. So we've got like a fun little print here.
Yep. And then when it comes out, that's pretty cute.
Chippendale.
Yeah, that's nice, huh?
This is the twin pull-out. So
Yeah,
this room accommodates 5.
Pretty cool.
And so you obviously, like I mentioned, this is the DVC side, but you don't have to be a DVC member to stay here. You can book this room on cash. You can book, with like a travel agent like myself. And then over here, we have this Murphy bed.
Yeah.
So
there's a little painting on the outside or picture. It's pretty cool.
We got Donald, Huey, Dewey, and Louie, and then Chippendale here too, which is fun.
Cool. Yeah.
So
and then this
couch.
Yeah, and then couch.
Yeah. It can be a couch, and then if you want, this pulls up so you can like eat.
Yep.
Because there's no like table and chairs in here. There are the stools, but you could pull the stools over. Also storage in here.
Yeah, so they put the extra blanket and pillows in there.
For this Murphy bed.
Yep.
So I will have Corey pull down the Murphy bed because I'm not going to. So Corey's just moving this. And I also love the rug.
Yeah, it's cool.
Like it's just a really cool rug. And then you just pull it down. And there you go. You can move that like really wherever you want. We have our stuff here. You could move it back, whatever you wanted. And then we have another little picture here. So it's again like Geyser Point with Huey, Dewey, and Louie. And I think that's a light right there if you click the light.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Lights up.
So
It's cool.
it's cute.
Yeah, it is.
Thank you, Vanna.
All right.
So one thing is we do not have a balcony in this room. That is not the case for all Boulder Ridge rooms. The rooms on both sides of us have balconies. We just happen to be in that row where it could be like a connecting 2-bedroom, right?
Yeah, I think so.
And so we don't have the balcony.
Yeah.
So if you do want a deluxe studio with a balcony, I would recommend telling your travel agent in advance to request that, or requesting it with Disney Vacation Club. And requests aren't guaranteed, but we did not get a balcony, and we were like, oh well.
Yeah.
So we do have a great view.
Yeah, it's a cool view. So out here you got the lake.
Yeah, we have Bay Lake, and then we have the quiet pool, or the DVC pool.
Mm-hmm.
So it's been a really nice view, actually.
Yeah, it has. It's cool looking.
We've opened the drapes, and the little curtains are cute too. We have a fun little pattern with Pluto and Mickey. And I like all the colors, like the greens and oranges and yellows and blues. It's fun.
Yep.
Okay, so going back this way, did I miss anything? Oh, nice big TV.
Yeah, the TV. It's one of those, the newer ones that they have.
Yeah, the light is kind of fun.
Yeah,
like
the light is
little,
fun.
Little details.
Wilderness
Very
light.
woodsy and cabin. So back over to the bathroom, we have one sink, great counter space, lots of storage, and then makeup mirror, a closet over here.
Yeah.
Oopsie, that's where I put my stuff. Another extra pillow and blanket.
Yep.
And then we've got the bathroom here, and that's just gonna be toilet and shower.
Yep.
And tub.
Yeah.
Maybe tub shower.
Yep.
So.
Nice little tile design, and then new shower head.
And then this little space is nice too because you have your full length mirror.
Mm-hmm. Looking good.
Thank you. And you could put, you know, stroller here or scooter. I don't know. Actually, no, I don't know if your door could open if you had like a scooter. Or
Definitely a stroller right here, I think, if you wanted. But
so, oh, this is cute too. A little kind of like a watercolor. I didn't notice Mickey and Minnie before. That's cute, huh?
yeah, all the details.
Yeah, it is fun. Yeah, so that is our room here, and this is a great place to stay because you do have the boat that goes to Magic Kingdom, and then they also have a boat that goes over to Fort Wilderness Campground or to the Contemporary too, which is nice if you want to like dine over at the Contemporary, and then bus to all other parks and Disney Springs. But Boulder Ridge has its own little like cozy lobby.
Yep.
So I'll try to show a little bit of that. They have their own little tree down there, and it's just the whole vibe.
It's cozy.
It's just like cozy, fun, Christmassy. Of course, the main lobby has like the beautiful grand tree, and they have like a little treat station in the afternoon evenings. So it's been really fun to stay here for Christmas.
Yep.
We had a great time. We've had a lot of resort time this trip because I am pregnant in my 3rd trimester. This is probably our last trip before baby comes, so we've just been taking it slow, taking it easy, and we've had a lot of resort time, so this has been a very great place to stay to enjoy resort time. We'll show a little bit more, but of course, if you have questions about booking or about staying, let me know. I will include my information. One more thing I actually forgot to mention, we have a Hey Disney in our room. So this is kind of like an Alexa, but the Disney version. It kind of gives you some information about it here. So you could do like an alarm, you can ask questions, soundscape, trivia. I want to see like, hey Disney, what are the hours at Magic Kingdom? Oh gosh. Oh boy, let's see here. Is it not? Oh, okay. Hey Disney, what are the hours at Magic Kingdom today?
Today, Magic Kingdom Park has early entry starting at 8:30 a.m. with regular park hours from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. What else can I help with?
That's cool.
It's cool.
Okay,
Sure,
let's see.
we can do
Oops.
something else. Just say exit and try asking again. Can I help with something else?
Hey Disney, what's the weather today?
To connect to the Wi-Fi,
Oh,
just tap on the
gosh.
guest network, accept the terms and conditions, and you're good to go.
Okay, guys.
Six
We
get
haven't...
things for my room.
Oop.
To find out what's available,
Whoa.
ask me for bedding, bath linens.
No, I want to go home to the home page. Okay. Hey Disney, what's the weather today?
The current weather is 51 degrees Fahrenheit with partly sunny skies. Throughout the day, you can expect more of the same, with a high of 65 degrees and a low of 48 degrees.
Ooh, it's gonna
Not
be
a
chilly.
cloudy sky. I love it when we get beautiful days in the Encanto.
Okay, it's December. It's gonna be a little chilly today, you guys. Wearing my Spirit jersey. Hey Disney, tell me a joke.
Who lives in a big castle and uses a broom?
I don't know.
Sweeping Beauty.
Oh, Sweeping Beauty. All right, there you go, guys. So you can utilize this on your trip if you want. It has more capabilities, but we didn't really use it much. But it might be helpful for some. I feel like kiddos might like it, messing around with it. I also did want to mention that, like, the dining options here on property, we love Geyser Point.
Yeah.
Roaring Fork is the quick service. It's great.
Mm-hmm.
They have the Artist Point with Snow White characters, and then they also have Whispering Canyon Cafe. So really good dining options.
Yeah, lot to do.
I have another Wilderness Lodge video when we stayed here recently. I think I included a little bit of the dining stuff, and I definitely have some Geyser Point videos. So I'll link those as well, but we really enjoyed the dining options here at Wilderness Lodge. I might have shown this in an earlier vlog, this trip, but we were on the 4th floor. So here's kind of like the lobby area. We're gonna take the elevator and go down. And here we have the little Boulder Ridge lobby. So they've got some seating.
Definitely feels like a lodge.
Yeah, it does feel like a lodge. I wish they had this little fireplace going. But actually, it's been kind of fun. We've seen families down here, like, playing games. There's like this table we saw family at. We saw some people over here. Like people were definitely utilizing it and kind of like playing games and hanging out. And then all you have to do is just take this little bridge path to the main lobby. We're checking out, so we're gonna make some noise going across this bridge. And it's freezing. And here we are. Just a quick little walk across the bridge. We've got the Mercantile there, the store. And then the lobby. So pretty. I can't stand it. So peaceful. There's the tree. Yeah, it is. So here's where from 2 to 9 they have the treats and goodies, which we did do. Corey got some chocolate peppermint bark. I got some hot apple cider one day. We sat by the fire with it. And here is the gorgeous tree. It's just huge. So pretty. I mean, this lobby is pretty itself. And then add some Christmas garland and a Christmas tree. And it is one cozy place.
And then everyone's having their breakfast.
Yeah, everyone's having their breakfast over at Whispering Canyon. And that pretty wreath up there.
Want me to go tell them? Yeah, tell them.
I don't think many people are at the pool today, Corey.
It's a little too hot tub. Maybe the hot tub.
Maybe, yeah, maybe that hot tub. It's a little chilly. I just sat down in one of these big comfy chairs. And I'm gonna wait while Corey gets the car. He's gonna go get the car and then we'll load up, and we have one more fun day ahead. I think we're gonna go to Disney Springs and Epcot. So if you're not following along on Instagram, Caitlin at the Castle, be sure to follow along there because I share lots of fun adventures over on Instagram too. But that's gonna be it for this room tour. Thank you for following along. Again, if you have any questions, please let me know. And yeah, please subscribe and like and stay tuned for the next one. Bye.